Yeah. So what else I wanted to show you is this little thing. It's not really for dogs, but it's really convenient because it is a laundry bag. It's really good quality material. It's like a fetcher. I'm not sure how to properly name this fabric, but it's really softish and stylish. Those are made to look like leather. So basically it has two holders and you lift it up and you can carry your dirty laundry to the washing machine, and you can even carry the clean laundry in it as well, so it's up to you. But it's really durable. You can fit a lot of stuff. I'll demonstrate you a size. We can even fit a dog pillow inside of it. Let's see if we can. Yeah, we can. It's really durable, really big. And it looks quite cute. It will fit to most bathrooms because it's very neutral gray color, so it's made to fit into any design pretty much. So I find it really cute. I don't know, I'll probably leave it in my bathroom. I'm really happy I received it. A little bit, yeah. So the YUNNARL dog car seat is attached to the live stream and you can check it out. It has tons of details. This laundry bag is also quite collapsible. Forgot to mention, you can actually squish it and store it in like a squished position, which is really cool.